Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieve this cute simple protective style. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the red button down below that says subscribe so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So I will start by massaging my coconut oil into my hair, and after that I will split my hair into two.
Throw a rock into a pond, ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky, those battle scars remain.
So after splitting my hair into two sections, I will start with the back section, and I will go ahead and spray my hair with my DIY water and comb it before applying the gel.
Ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky, those battle scars remain. I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes of your.
So I will do the same thing I did on the back. Just spraying my hair with my DIY water and massage it into my hair before applying the gel on my hair. So now I am parting my hair in the middle. After that I will go ahead and comb my hair before applying the gel.
Ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky, those battle scars remain. I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes of your ghost. La da 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 da. ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky. Those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. Echoes of your
So after putting my hair in a low ponytail, I will tie my hair with my hair scarf, and then I will go ahead and blow dry my hair.
Throw a rock into a pond, ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky. Those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da.
So guys, this is the fun part of this video. After blow drying my hair, I will go in with my Afro Mini in the color 1B. The hair I'm using is from Janet collection, and the hair comes with 2 clips. So I will go in front of the natural hair bond we created earlier and attached the first clip, and then go on the back and attached the second clip.
Throw a rock into a pond, ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky. Those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I.
And that is it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.